everybody, welcome to the OklaRoots YouTube channel. In today's quick watch and learn, we're gonna make one of my favorite things to make ever. Today, we're gonna make the cold cup cardi. I know we've made this 1,000 times and I will probably make it 1,000 more times. The cold cup cardi is a pattern from me, OklaRoots, and it is a quick, fun scrap buster that is perfect for gifting, perfect for vacations, just a really fun, quick sew. So just real quickly, the cold cup cardi is designed for Starbucks cold cups. This is the reusable cold cup. However, it does fit on all of the cold plastic cups that you get from Starbucks, all sizes. It is reversible, so you see on one side we have this fun plaid, and then on the other side we have this faux leather, making this a great gender neutral gift. You can get real classy with this. It's really easy to make, really fun to gift, and like I said, you can get so creative with how you embellish this. So I will have a pattern for this link down below. We also have a template set that I love to use for this. It has a sticker on it because this is a broken one. I keep the broken bits. If you're interested in any of that, all the links are down in the description of this video. As always, if you're new, welcome. Please consider subscribing down below. If you like this video, please give it a like. And if you have any suggestions for the December video-a-thon that I'm doing, leave them down in the comments below. All right, guys, let's get started.